do Primark, Angelic Pretty, and then actually Disney. Other than that, I spent most of my money on food. Like, I think I spent more on food than I did on like gifts and things for me, because it's really, really expensive to eat out here. But anyway, things. So at Primark I got this beret, which I wore to Disney. It's really cute. It's got these little pearls, and it's kind of pink. It's like a dusty pink. Very cute. I got these nails as well that I'm wearing. So we've got gingerbread. There's some sparkles and like a really nice pink. See what I mean about pink? And then this is a selfie light that I got to do my YouTube videos with. It's got like 3 different light settings, so I'm pretty excited about that because it lights everything up quite nice. I think it's like bright, warm, and then like natural. And then this is a super cute little manicure kit. I love like London stuff and I love pastel stuff, so this was just a cute thing I needed, especially when I was putting my nails on. So at AP I didn't spend as much as I thought I would, but that's because I was saving for Disney. I got these little washi tapes. I'm not entirely sure on the printing. I think this is Cherry Marguerite. I'm probably wrong, but they're so cute. Got my little tag still. Got the AP bag, of course. And then this is gonna go in my room. It's just like the little poster showing you where the store is. It's a little creased, but it's fine. And I also got a sticker on the bag, which I put on the bag that I brought with me. I'm gonna move this because it's a bit creased, but I'll probably put it on something else and then like put it on my wall. These are all the gifts I got at Disney. So I got these chocolates and this keychain for John, and then these 2 super cute Marie pins. One's for someone I work with and one's for one of my best friends. So I haven't decided who's getting what yet because they're both adorable, but I really regret not getting these for me as well, for one of my other friends, but I have other things for that are on their way from elsewhere. Yeah, that's a pin. There's the other one. They had like most of the Disney cats like this. I kind of regret not buying the full set because they're so cute, but and yeah, loads of chocolate. This is for John. He's not a big Disney fan, so I just got him like the classic keychain and some chocolate, because you can't complain with chocolate. So these are what I actually got for myself at Disney. This is the only Tiana thing they did that I couldn't otherwise get in England. In an entire day at Disney and all my time at Disney Village, I found one item of Tiana merch that was a park exclusive. It's not like, I do love her. Her eyes look in 2 different directions slightly, but like she's really cute. So yeah, she's Disney Paris exclusive. I think she was like 14 euros, which is a lot, but I love her. I got this Moana doll. She was actually on like a really deep discount. She's just one of the normal Disney store ones, but she was like €8, and I think she's normally like £13. She's really nice. I love her hair. And then these are all the pins I got for me. So some of these I traded. So all of these 4 I got a trade. And these 3 were a booster pack. I actually had another one in the booster pack, but while we were watching a show it fell off, and then I couldn't get it back. I love this mini. This one I'm pretty sure I have the bigger version, but this is cute. This is gonna go on my stuff. And I got this really glittery Jasmine. I have the Tiana of this already, so I kind of want to complete this set now. I've got this one. The Ariel one I remember is really cute as well. There we go.